Have you ever imagined how versatile shipping containers can become when transformed into homes? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at MLG, a company recognized in the housing industry. Their innovative vision for stylish and eco-friendly housing solutions allows them to create truly impressive container homes. Building the 𝐿G double-container residence requires careful organization and detailed planning from start to finish. The first step involves choosing a proper location and preparing the land by clearing and leveling the surface. Concrete foundations or support piers are then installed to safely carry the weight of the containers. The purpose of this preparation stage is to guarantee durability and long-term structural stability. 2 premium-grade shipping containers are then sourced for the project. Before any work begins, each container is thoroughly checked for rust, dents, or structural flaws. Only units in top condition are selected to avoid serious damage or weakness in the framework. Depending on the design layout, standard 20-foot or 40-foot containers are chosen for the build. Openings are cut into the steel walls for doors, windows, and shared interior connections between the containers. The containers are then joined together through welding at the corners and along adjoining sections. Strong steel plates and angle bars are added to reinforce these connections and improve structural strength. Alongside welding, durable high-tensile bolts are installed at key structural points for extra rigidity and support. Steel framing is added around every cut opening to preserve load-bearing integrity and reinforce the walls. All joints and seams between the containers are sealed carefully with waterproof materials to stop moisture intrusion. A single roof structure is then constructed over both containers, creating a unified appearance and added weather protection. As shown here, adding a terrace greatly improves both practicality and visual appeal. The terrace creates a comfortable outdoor space for relaxing, socializing, and enjoying the surrounding environment. Glass railings allow clear panoramic views, while stainless steel or metal balusters provide a more classic appearance. Tempered or laminated safety glass is selected because of its durability and resistance to impact. Fiberglass insulation bats are commonly used because they are affordable and easy to install. In this project, they provide solid thermal and sound insulation, although other insulation methods may also be suitable. Closed-cell spray foam is another popular insulation option for container houses because of its excellent R value. Additionally, rigid insulation boards like polystyrene and polyiso panels deliver outstanding thermal efficiency. Controlling moisture effectively requires both proper sealing and adequate airflow throughout the structure. In this regard, spray foam insulation naturally acts as an effective barrier against moisture penetration. The seams between drywall panels are reinforced using joint tape along with layers of compound. Several coats of compound are applied and sanded repeatedly until the walls become perfectly smooth. Alternatively, wooden wall panels may be installed to achieve a warmer or more luxurious appearance. These panels can be mounted directly onto framing or placed over finished drywall surfaces, depending on the design style. Once all plumbing and electrical systems are completed, the drywall is primed in preparation for paint and finishing work. At the same time, a concrete countertop is constructed and allowed to cure properly. This feature adds a sophisticated and modern touch to the open kitchen layout. Before the final paint layer is added, applying primer is a necessary step. Primer improves paint adhesion, prepares the surface evenly, and helps seal stains and odors. Latex paint is widely preferred for indoor walls because it is durable and easy to maintain. In addition, its lower VOC content contributes to healthier indoor air quality. For spaces exposed to humidity, including kitchens and bathrooms, moisture-resistant paint is the better option. Painter's tape is applied around trim, windows, and outlets to protect areas that should remain paint-free. Any dents, cracks, or gaps are repaired with filler or joint compound before being sanded smooth. Electrical cables are routed through the walls and ceiling to support all kitchen power requirements. The wiring is protected inside conduits to improve safety and reduce the risk of damage. Several GFCI outlets are installed around the kitchen area. These outlets safely power appliances while helping prevent electrical shock hazards. Typical outlet positions include locations above countertops, beside sinks, and behind large appliances. Flooring, meanwhile, plays a major role in the overall interior design and functionality. For this project, parquet flooring is selected because of its durability and refined appearance. Before installation begins, an acoustic underlayment is placed underneath to improve sound insulation. Proper installation begins with selecting dense acoustic foam underlayment for effective sound control. These layers absorb footsteps and improve the overall comfort of movement across the floor. At last, final decorative details are completed to give the home its intended refined appearance. Indeed, transforming shipping containers into residences has become increasingly popular in modern construction. This creative housing method offers practical advantages that strongly support companies such as MLG. One of the strongest benefits of container housing lies in its environmental responsibility. MLG strongly supports sustainable construction, making container reuse an ideal solution. Recycling retired shipping containers gives old steel a valuable second purpose. This reduces dependence on manufacturing entirely new structural resources. Container housing can also form environmentally conscious communities that encourage shared living values. This concept may inspire wider global adoption of greener building practices. If this project impressed you, be sure to explore MLG's channel for more outstanding container home creations.